Hi, this is Mike with Airstream Adventures. Today we're going to take a look at our cable and satellite TV port connections located on the exterior of the trailer just below our power cord connection. We have a flip-up cover that when we flip it up, it allows us to view the two port connections, one for cable TV and one for portable satellite. The cable TV port connection allows us to connect to the service provided by the park. The satellite port connection allows us to connect to a portable satellite dish that when we have it connected, we can move the dish out in a direction that allow us to get the best satellite service reception. Satellite dishes are normally used when you're really out in extreme areas and far remote areas where there isn't aerial cable TV service off our aerial antenna. Then you'd probably want to use a satellite TV dish if you're in extreme remote areas for boondocking. Also inside the trailer we have a menu on our TV that allows us to switch back and forth between satellite, cable TV, and aerial connections. Thank you for watching our video. For more information, please visit us at airstreamadventures.com.